Good morning everyone, hope you're all well this morning. This is today's market update. Finally we did see a little bit of profit taken in the markets last night, which was to be expected after the fantastic week that they had last night. That said, the majority of the markets were down 1% or less, with the Dow and the Nasdaq down a flat 1%, the FTSE down just under 1%, as was Japan and China. So all in all, no big deal. As you know, I like to talk about my bundle of four every time, and again, just to sort of reiterate the point about Facebook, Apple, Google and Microsoft capturing the upside of the market. On the downside, we would have seen those stocks fall only 0.9% against 1% on the Nasdaq. So again, more reason why you must own these shares. Everything else has been pretty quiet. I mean, there hasn't been a great deal of movement on the currency. As we know, we've got a very strong US dollar at the moment. That will probably continue in the short term, but longer term, I think, if you're selling US dollars and buying up some euros and sterling and even Japanese yen, I think that will serve you well in the long term. So not a great deal of movement on the currencies. As you know, I always like to talk about a story that's in the news that's related to our business, and something that's happening you will see is the Lufthansa staff striking about the fact that Lufthansa have come out and admitted that they are not going to be able to afford to pay the pension that they were promising their employees. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many different companies out there that cannot afford to pay their pensions, and you're going to see this happening more and more. Unhappy staff, uneasy staff. There is solutions. There's different options you can go into where you can take control of your money. So come and have a chat with us about that. Don't become a victim of all these poorly managed pension deficits in these companies. I'm going to make it pretty quick today. Got a busy day ahead. Got our photo shoot for work for the website, and a few of my colleagues are visiting me over in Ho Chi Minh City today. So I'll give you a quote for the day, and this is by the artist Pablo Picasso. So of course, as you can imagine, it's somewhat elaborate, and it says that our goals can only be reached through a vehicle of plan in which you must fervently believe and rigorously act. There is no other route to success. So there we go. That's the plan for the day. Listen to them words. Have a good day.